Hey guys, it's Sherry to Sherry, and we're doing an Instapot boiled egg and cleaning all at once. Yes, you heard me, all at once. It's the tip that will also, if the egg cracks, it will keep it together in the Instapots. Here we go. I'm using Dollar Tree distilled vinegar, Dollar Tree eggs, and you're going to need water. Take your Instapot inner pot and put the trivet down inside. Now you're going to pour in a cup and a half of water down inside the inner pot, like over top of the trivet. And with the tongs that I got from the Dollar Tree, take the eggs and lay them on the trivet. I had about 9 altogether. And now you're going to take your vinegar and you're going to have a tablespoon of vinegar inside the inner pot. Put the lid on the Instapot, lock it in place, and put it in the sealing position. So we're going to press the egg button so it will start. If not, manual pressure or pressure cook for 5 minutes. Watch it to make sure that there's no steam coming out of the valve here. If it is, you need to lock the lid and then start it. Once it's finished, natural pressure release for 5 or 10 minutes. Watch the steam, take the lid off, and then get your eggs out with tongs. You see one here is cracked, but the vinegar helped to seal it in. And put your eggs in a bowl. Pour cold water over it. A nice tip is to put ice bottles in it, or you can use this little ice pack from Walmart and keep it cold. It cools it down a lot faster. Crack the egg on the side of the bowl and run your spoon around the shell, and it peels easily. Clean your inner pot with hot soapy water. Rinse well. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.